This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I'm making this follow-up video with regards to the small economical and scale layout that I'm working on. So these are the two panels that I'm using as initial pieces, and I've already glued them together and I'm just waiting for them to set, and then I will be making more panels and just making them, gluing them together to make the final board. So as you can see, all that really needs to be done is that you take the two panels and make the edges straight and put them on. What I did here was just on my drawing table on a newspaper and a vinyl backing piece to make sure that everything is straight and flat. So for this, I'm using this formulation of glue. This is Carpenter's High Initial Bond Glue. This is the most expensive glue you can get, I guess. What I like about it is that it's actually a stronger bond than what these pieces of wood are going to be. So the bond is going to be stronger, much stronger than what I would be using for, say, the top parts, which is just going to be this Elmer School glue. And I had that bottle already, so I might as well use it. And that would be just for the scenery at the top, because obviously I'm going to be putting the foam core on top of this base to make scenery. And also I have the wood here. These are already cut pieces, and that's what I'm going to be using to bisect this whole scene. Where it comes from is this dollar store piece of wood here. This is $4, and I have another video where I show where I'm breaking it up into pieces. This is very economical because the wood pieces are going to work structurally in a sense to keep it from bending, although I'm also going to put other structure that you'll see to make sure that nothing bends and nothing and the structure is fine. And this will be used as roadways and bridges and stuff like this. So I've already broken this up in another video, and this is what it is here, these pieces and these pieces, which I've been using as bridge abutments and whatnot. So this is coming along, and I will make another video shortly showing the full size that I intend to build and how to build the bisecting backdrop, and also I will be showing how to build the roadbed and all this stuff. So for now, this is all I'm going to be doing because it's a big job, and when it's done and I'm ready to move on to the next part, I'll do a second video outlining what I need and what I'll be doing. So if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.